Are you looking for the best torque wrenches in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best torque wrenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Tekton half-drive click torque wrench. There's no such thing as an average performance with this powerful click drive torque wrench from the house of Tekton. The Tekton 24355 drive click torque wrench remains one of the top torque wrenches available on the market. This half-inch drive, 18.5x 1.5x 1.4 dimension torque wrench produces torque range of as low as 150 pounds or 13.6, 203.5 Nm. It's got a dual reading scale that's got its calibration accuracy to +4%. You've finally got a tool that produces the smallest torque with very accurate precision. Tekton 24355 drive click torque wrench distinguishes itself as one of the top torque wrenches on the block with its high contrast, easy to read dual scale. What impresses me is not just the dual scale calibration it possesses, but the fact that you can also read the scale in very little light. I've experimented with this wrench and found this to be absolutely true. It's designed with a 24-tooth reversible ratchet head fitted to drive fittings in your cars, trucks, and garden equipment in both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Measuring torque with this wrench has never been so convenient. Constructed with high-quality steel all over, the Tekton 24355 drive click torque wrench has got no plastic parts at all and no batteries included. Because of this intentional design, the half-inch drive torque wrench does not wear or tear after some time. You can be convinced that you've selected a highly durable torque wrench. This torque wrench is a special click drive type with an internal mechanic operation that produces a click once you attain the torque specifications of your vehicle or equipment. You can both hear and feel the click. Wouldn't that be amazing? I found this torque wrench with its features to be quite worth the pick. However, I advise that you keep the torque at the lowest calibration setting when the wrench is not in use so the calibration can be maintained. This is, of course, a general rule for all torque wrenches. Up next in the 4th place is the ETORK a quarter drive click torque wrench. If you are seeking a very reliable and versatile wrench for your vehicle and equipment, ETORK a quarter of an inch drive click wrench is a perfect choice. This 365 pounds torque wrench has got a calibration accuracy of +4% that lets you confidently tighten the fasteners to the preset precision value. The most impressive thing about this wrench is the quality of the material. The ratchet head is constructed from hardened treated chrome vanadium steel alloy with an attractive satin finish. You can trust that this torque wrench is both corrosion resistant and long lasting. The ETORK a quarter of an inch drive click wrench comes in a box accompanied by a half-inch drive 5 long extension bar and a 3/8 reducer. These accessories heighten the peak performance of the torque wrench on your vehicle or equipment. The knurled handles give you a steady non-slip grip as you turn in either direction. It also features a click feel that alerts you once the desired torque value is reached. This torque is safe and very convenient for your use. With a readable dual scale engraved on the torque wrench, it's very possible for you to view readings accurately. ETORK a quarter of an inch drive click wrench at a distance. The plastic storage case ensures that your torque is secured from damaging adverse conditions. I've really got nothing on this one. With proper use and storage, you'll be satisfied using this torque wrench. The 3rd product on our list is the Venzo Bicycle a quarter driver torque wrench kit. Your bike will experience professional repair and maintenance services when you use Direction standard tools. Speaking of which, Venzo Bicycle a quarter of an inch driver torque wrench is exceptional in delivering such performance. This wrench kit consists of 6 high-quality Allen keys of different heads and an extender for guaranteed precision accuracy. Venzo Bicycle a quarter of an inch driver torque wrench produces torque within the range 2.0-24.0 Nm with a tolerance accuracy of about +4%. This a quarter torque wrench is also a click type of wrench. The moment you meet the specified torque, the wrench gives out a click sound to notify you to stop. It comes with a gauge that aids you while you work on your bike. As the name suggests, Venzo Bicycle a quarter of an inch driver torque wrench is the ideal choice for bicycles and bikes alike. It is designed with a guard case that houses it from extreme environmental conditions. The wrench and its accompaniments are safely stored to avoid rust and damage. The Venzo Bicycle a quarter of an inch driver torque wrench is also light in weight, small and portable. Using a torque wrench of 1.8 pounds, your hands won't grow weary. If you love your tools simple and compact, then this is what you've been looking for. It's quite a wonderful tool that's worth your trust. However, when turning this torque wrench, you need to do it slowly so you can hear or feel the click. You should not overturn the minute you hear the click. Second on our list is the ETORK Click Style 3.8 Torque Wrench. This 3/8 drive wrench is one wrench you cannot but consider when you go hunting for wrenches. High-quality ETORK Click Style 3/8 inches torque wrench is a top shot in the wrench market, designed to meet your torquing and needs. It is a 3/8 drive, 20.5 long torque wrench for an accurate turning effect, with a torque range of 50 to 250 pounds. This wonderful wrench measures torque to remarkable precision. It features calibration with an outstanding tested accuracy of +3%. ETORK Click Style 3/8 inches torque wrench has a ball bearing release mechanism that aids in delivering consistent and quality results in torque precision. This mechanism enhances the wrench's sensitivity to even the slightest increase. With this, you are sure not to over-tighten or under-tighten the fasteners. Being crafted from the finest hardened alloy steel, it comes in a sleek and lighter design and is noted for its unmatched strength and sturdiness. This type of steel assures you of durability, and you can be sure that it won't rust. This torque wrench has a 45-tooth ratchet head for turning in either direction. Using this torque wrench, you can effortlessly operate in much tighter spaces or fittings. It produces a click sound when the preset torque value is achieved. This one-piece steel tool possesses ergonomic wrench handles which require 50% less turning force and are easy to grip. These large diameter handles offer you a very comfortable grip. There's a lot to gain using the ETORK Click Style 3/8 inches torque wrench for your maintenance work. If you make sure to store it dry, then you'll enjoy it for much longer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Pro Bike Tool 1/4 Click Drive Torque Wrench Set. You wouldn't search the market for long before you come across this unique torque wrench set. From bestseller tool company, Pro Bike Tool 1/4 inches Click Drive Torque Wrench Set is a high-quality toolkit that's sure to meet all your torque needs. It's a click-type drive wrench with a 20.0 Nm torque range, having a micro adjustment to 0.1 Nm for excellent torque precision. You can achieve an optimum torquing effect on your bike because it tightens to the exact precision. You are also protected from damages that result from the over-tightening of fittings. Pro Bike Tool 1/4 inches Click Drive Torque Wrench Set is a two-way directional driver for measuring torque, pre-calibrated with a tested accuracy of +4% and +6% for clockwise and anti-clockwise directions respectively. There's absolutely no way you're guessing with this, distinguished by the one-touch spring-loaded adjustment collar. This torque wrench locks immediately when setting to the desired torque. It also has a click-type technology in which a click is felt when you achieve the desired torque level. Pro Bike Tool 1/4 inches Click Drive Torque Wrench Set comes as a multi-tool maintenance kit comprising of 8 Allen and 3 Torque sockets heads, a 100mm extension bar, and a protective molded case. That's a complete pie if you ask me. With all the right tools, your repairs will take on a whole new level. As regarding function, it's ideal for all forms of fittings such as seat clamps, lever clamps, chain sets, stems, and rotors. Especially for carbon bikes, you will derive maximum satisfaction after installing fasteners with Pro Bike Tool 1/4 inches Click Drive Torque Wrench Set. One downside to this Pro Bike Tool 1/4 inches Click Drive Torque Wrench Set is that for torque as low as 5 Nm, the click may not be clearly felt. As with other click torque wrenches, I'll advise that you use in quiet places. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.